Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert a PDF file to Word document with the help of Google Docs. Google Docs can convert a PDF file to Word document so that you can make edits to it. Go to docs.google.com and log in. Click on the Open File Picker icon. Click Upload tab. Click on Select a file from your device and select the PDF file which you want to convert to Word document. Click Open with Google Docs. Click File menu. Click Download and click Word document. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.